And like rational number. Okay, so like real numbers are they're like in the form of like integers. They are real numbers, and like natural numbers are like the real numbers can be like in the form of like negative, like minus one, minus two, but natural numbers are all positive numbers.
Okay. Zero is a natural number. We आप remove
Uh,
करोगे natural number को zero.
Sorry.
Zero आपका natural है या नहीं?
Is okay, so zero is like a natural number क्योंकि क्यों like negative form में नहीं होता है.
Okay, okay. आप smallest natural number बता दो.
Smallest natural number is zero.
Really?
I think so.
जो smallest आपका natural number है.
Smallest natural number.
It's equal to one.
Oh, sorry, it's one. Sorry.
Okay. आपका natural number कहाँ से start होता है? One से.
One.
What's a real number होता है? Real number include everything like integer, ठीक है, rational number, irrational number. अगर combined form क्या है आपका real number, ठीक है?